real quick, Darrell, if you can just share I wanted to have a guy share real quick. Darrell, if you can just share for just a few minutes here before I have to get off and get on another webinar, I would absolutely love that because he just hit 200K, you guys, in 8 months. So, Darrell, can you share?
Yes, yes. Oh man, I'm hyped up. All right, guys. So if y'all know him, I'm Darrell Hannah. I'm not gonna be long. So, before I got into this, and before I discovered digital marketing back here, in January, I was a welder at a job for like 14 years. I was a three-time employee of the year. I was a head welder. Worked at that job 60, 70 hours a week. No life. Almost got divorced. I mean, I can go on this just another story in itself. But one day I came in on a Tuesday. They called me to the office, my supervisor and my lead, hit my boss's boss, and basically they were going in another direction. So the department that I was in, they told me that they were eliminating the department. So you figure if you've been at a job for almost 15 years, you got seniority. But now, as you know, that's not the case, because anytime a job is getting ready to cut back, and if you're at the top of the food chain, you're going to be the first person to get cut, because that's just how it goes. So instead of them having to move me somewhere else, even though I had tons of seniority over everybody else, they had to let me go. So, 3 hours after being at work, I caught myself, crying in the car outside of the gates. And because of that, because of me only having one income stream and just giving a job everything and wasn't expecting this, I had to end up, I called myself homeless. I had to stay in a shelter for a little bit. I stayed in my car for a little bit. And during that time, I just told myself I couldn't see myself working for another job. And so I knew people were making money online. So I just blindly, I just came into the online space, just willing to learn whatever it took. And that was my why, because I got separated from my family and I wasn't spending any time with them. And that job wasn't allowing me to do that anyway. So I did a couple things, guys, just trying to find my way. And I remember one day on January the 13th, like it was yesterday, I seen someone make a post and said they made $600 from their phone working 2 hours a day. And I didn't even know I didn't know what the heck that was. So make a long story short, I just followed them, finally got some information. And so after I looked at it, I realized that what I was missing to build a successful business and be able to make more and work less was that I didn't have the skills to build the business. I didn't know how to market. I didn't know how to create content. I didn't have any of that stuff. And so I joined 2 days later on January the 15th. And my first 2 weeks, guys, I joined on the 15th to the end of the month. I did the copy and paste free ads method, which is what we teach, part of the 2-hour workday. And my first 2 weeks, I made $5,000. And I realized that I was on to something, because I had never made that working 80 hours a week, 12 hours a day for a whole month working as a welder. So make a long story short, guys, I hit my first 6 figures in 4 months. And I told myself I only wanted to make 100K by the end of December. But you don't understand the power of digital marketing in an industry that makes over $1 billion a day, and then the power of social media once you leverage the two with the blueprint that's basically just black and white, as far as like just following it step by step. And so just a couple of weeks, I think it was 5 days ago. So I've been in 8 months, and 5 days ago, guys, I'm at a little bit over about $203,000 in 8 months and 5 days, which is just unheard of, because it's crazy how you can use this business and this platform and develop high income skills that can teach you how to build a business the right way and be able to earn 6 figures, let alone multiple 6 figures in one calendar year. So I could say so much about this business, but the thing that I'm glad I didn't do was I didn't pass up on the posts that I saw, just like you guys are here, whoever invited you guys here. I encourage you guys not to be poor, which is something that a 7-figure earner told me years ago. He said, Darrell, you have to stop being poor, which basically means passing over opportunities repeatedly. A lot of people have been on these webinars a lot of times, and you're looking for a way out, whether it's you feel like the Lord sent it to you or whatever. And I'm here to tell you that this is it. The community is amazing. You're able to get free coaching and mentoring by people who have made 5, 6, and 7 figures inside the community for free. I tell people this all the time: 7-figure earners do not give free coaching, and you're able to get that inside the community. Just a step-by-step blueprint. If you follow it, you're going to learn high income skills from marketing, creating content, learning how to implement your story in your content to be relatable in your content, which is going to allow people to want to join you because they like you, know you, and trust you. And that's why people join people. They don't join programs. So I just encourage you guys, if you're on the fence, just get started, because everything that you're going to need to build a business the right way, automate it while you're just showing up for 2 hours a day, creating content, and let your business just do all the work for you guys. It's just life changing for me and my family. Also, I want to throw this in there before I get off. Michelle, I can't remember if I said this the last time, but so my daughter's fixing to graduate. She's graduating early, and she's going to a university in Atlanta. It's a HBCU school called Clark University. And it's not cheap. But the first year, her first year is I'm able to pay for it, guys, full. And I'm just gonna say this: it's over 40 grand, and I'm gonna be able to write a check for that, cashier's check, and pay for that, all because of this business. I would have never been able to do that if I was still working in a job, welding, making $20-some an hour. I'm just not able to do that. So that's a blessing in itself of all the things, because I do this for my family. You know, that's the main thing. And so I just wanted to share that, not to boast or brag, because I'm just an old country boy from the sticks. That's all I am. So I don't have any education. I just have a why on why I never want to work a job again and have to be away from my family and work 60, 70 hours a week and put myself in a position where I can be homeless again. I never want to be a part of that. And so I'm grateful for this program and Michelle and what she put together, and how much she loves us, and just blood, sweat, and tears every single day doing stuff to make sure that we're getting equipped with everything that we need to build this business the right way. So I just want to say thank you, Michelle, and thank all the other people who have made the income that they've made. And guys, if you just stay plugged in, again, the sky is the limit, because this is a world that's going digital, and this is where you want to be, especially with where we're headed at. And we haven't even gotten started. I think we're only like 4.5 months in or something like that. So thank you, Michelle, for everything. And just want to say, guys, just get started. That's all you need. The blueprint is it's all you need. It's going to equip you with everything that you need.
So I have a question. Some people in the comments have said, this sounds too good to be true. What would your response to that be?
Well, sometimes it can sound too good to be true and be true, and that's just what it is. Like, again, like when I joined this program on January the 15th, I said my goal was to make 100K by December the 31st. But again, you don't understand how powerful industry that makes over $1 billion. You don't understand how powerful that you're promoting programs that are in high demand that you're earning 100% commission on. And then the power of leveraging social media, a platform that brings in over 5 billion people. It's mind-boggling. Like, my highest month so far is like almost 39 grand, guys. That was back here in May. And I have hit 5 figures since March. I've been hitting 5 figures, because in February I had 8,000, and I was starting to come along. And since then, it's been on an average of $20,000 to $26,000 every month, guys, as high as 38,000. So I'm just following and mastering the 2-hour workday, because that is how you're going to get traffic to interested people to your website who want to know what you're doing, guys. That's why we stress the 2-hour workday, because it is everything in this business. All you gotta do is show up for 2 hours. If you do that and stay consistent and just don't reinvent the wheel, just follow everything, it's gonna be hard for you not to have some type of success, and that's just what I want to say.
So true. Love it. Thank you so much. And congratulations on being able to do that for your daughter. That's why we do this. And for 200K in 8 months, that's amazing. So awesome. Well, you guys, I do have to bounce and get off and get on another Zoom, so we're not going to be able to do Q&A. Apologize about that. So just get back with the person that invited you. Just send them an email, and they will reply back to that email, okay? And they will get all your questions answered, okay? They'll probably even create you a Loom video to answer your questions. But I look forward to working with you guys. There's an amazing training by Amy tomorrow inside our community, so you can get your business started right and jump on that training with her. So thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Have an awesome day. So how do you guys get started? How do you start leaving that legacy for your family? How do you get rid of that generational struggle and create generational wealth? And I'm going to introduce you to the Legacy Builders program and invite you to be part of that and join our amazing community today. So when you join the Legacy Builder program, you guys are going to learn how to promote products and programs where you make 100% profit. You're going to learn how to automate your business. That's going to give you your freedom back. You're going to learn how to use our ultimate discovery system. You're going to learn how to relate and connect with your perfect customers so you can create content that people will actually pay attention to and engage with. You're going to learn step by step what you need to do daily to make daily pay. And you're going to learn the strategies to make $900 a day, which is $328,000 a year. Do you realize if you can learn those strategies in 3 years, you're a self-made millionaire? Is that not awesome? That's what I love. So when you get started today, you're going to get some additional bonuses as well. You're going to get a Canva crash course. You're actually going to get live with me in September. And I'm literally going to walk you through what I did to make my first million in 17 months. You're going to get access to the live training. I'm going to stay on and do a Q&A with you. And then you're going to get the PDF blueprint that's going to be taught live next month. You're also going to get our 30-day growth marketing strategy. This is what I followed to go from not even being on TikTok to building a 6-figure business on TikTok in 6 months. You're also going to get 200 digital product ideas. Maybe you're on here right now and you want to create your own product. We're going to give you some ideas and help you exactly do that inside of our Legacy Builder program. You're going to get the mindset, message, and marketing to your first million. You're going to get your invisible empire faceless marketing training as well. You get all of that and 4 income streams for only $900. And yes, if you guys go to the person invited you's website, scroll to the bottom, there possibly could be payment plans on there. You'll see when you get there, okay? But you guys realize the Launchpad sells for $100, the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint sells for $300, the Digital Mastery for $600, and the Legacy Builder for $900. That's $1,900 worth of products. What if you just sold one a day? Just one a day. That's $1,900 a day you could make. Now, if that's not in your budget, that's okay. You can launch your business with the Digital Mastery and still get 3 income streams, or you can launch your business with the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint and still get 2 income streams, or launch your business with a Launchpad and still get 1 income stream, right? Doing something is definitely better than doing nothing. Look at this, exactly 2 months and she just got her 4th sale. Look at that, 900 every so 1,800 a month she's made since she's launched her business. Sky is the limit, my friends, of what you can achieve.